All right, and finally now, the Marriott Marquis in downtown Atlanta, where Andrew had read a National Geographic magazine. Let's take a quick ride on this one. No stop is complete without visiting the world's most famous Marriott Marquis Hotel. I'm a little bit in a time crunch, so we're gonna end the video on the atrium level, and after that, we will get ready to leave. All right, let's end the video at the atrium level. Wow, these are fast. These are your fixtures. They're older Otis. Otis Series M2 burnt out indicator. These used to have the older Otis Series 1 fixtures, which is known as Otis Elevonic 401. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna send this up to 47 and I'll let you watch it go up and we'll end the video from here. All right, here it goes. All right, there it goes. We'll see the elevator go all the way up, and after that, there goes the second elevator coming down. Going all the way up there. And here comes the other elevator right here. All right, and with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this was a great 30-year anniversary special of elevator photography. Thank you so much for watching. And with that being said, that is going to be it.